ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वतीहृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वतीपरमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रचङ्ककौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णे नैव सुरक्षितो मम सकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलात् रोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനോ മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടതോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare. Okay, everybody, welcome to class 2. So I think the Sangeeta Iyer was the only one who could not join. I don't see Ratna. I don't know what happened, but anyways. So inniki what we'll do, right? I was just telling earlier. Typically, nama vandu in the most of the chapters will be able to begin and end in the same class along with meaning. But there are some chapters like chapter 100, 25, 36, and the mari konjam kashtamana, there are some difficult chapters. Those chapters will end up spilling like 1.5 classes, right, for us to finish. But at this point, let's not worry. In the starting or a couple of chapters, we'll just go slow. Let's go at the pace which makes sense for everybody, right? So இன்னைக்கு என்ன அஜெண்டானாக்கா, let's kind of rehearse the first two stanzas. So I'll kind of call on two of you to kind of just chant the first two stanzas, and then we will start with the meaning, and then we'll try to complete how much ever we can today. In the chapter, I'm not going to tell the meaning of every stanzas. I picked some important ones that we're going to just focus on the meaning. Okay. All right. So Priya, நீங்க போன class இருக்குல்ல, you want to try the Priya Arun, like the first two stanzas?
Sure. सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्यं निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टां दृष्टमात्रे पुरुषार्थ आत्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् एवं दुर्लभ्य वस्तुन्यपि सुलभतया हस्तलब्धेय धन्यत् तन्वा वाचा धिया वा भजति बत जनः क्षुद्रतैव स्फुटेयम् एते तावद्वयं तु स्थिरतरमनसा विश्वपीडापहत्यै निःशेष आत्मानमेनं गुरुपवनपुराधीशमेव आश्रयामः.
That's right. Thank you. Sri Vidya, long round. Can you go? Can you try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
सान्द्रानन्दात्मबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषा आत्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद् भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् एवं दुर्लभ्य वस्तून्यपि सुलभतया हस्तलभ्यते
The hastalabde. Labde is to get it. So hastalabde, in your hand.
Okay. Hastalabdhe yadhanyat tanva vacha dhiya va bhajati bhadajanah shudra dhaivat sputeyam ete तावद्भयं तु स्थिरतरमनसा विश्वपीडाबहत्यै निःशेषात्मानमेकं गुरुपवनपुराधीशमे आश्रयामः.
Nishesh Atmana Menam. I think may, but I think you said some letter different. Nisheshat.
Nisheshatmanamenam.
Yeah, correct. Okay, very good. Okay, so Nikki, what we'll do is, we'll have Danya, can you, and Vijay, can you guys be the students this time?
Sure.
Okay, so Danya, you'll go first, Vijay can go second. But first, let me start with the meaning of the first two stanzas, right? And then we'll start with the third stanza. So in the Narayanathala, the first chapter, first stanza, and then if you go to the last chapter, right, in the last chapter, and then in the in-between chapter, which is the 37th Adhyayam, the Krishnavadaram, in those three places, Bhattacharya uses the word Sandranandava, right? So there's a difference between happiness and bliss, right? So happiness is temporary, bliss is permanent, right? So here Bhattacharya is talking about in the first stanza is in the general enal ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி they talk about the glory of the place and then the glory of the person before they start telling more details about it, right? So in the chapter is dedicated to more the glory of the Lord and also more importantly to the glory of Guruvayur, right? Why Guruvayur is special அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he describes a lot of things in this. So in the first stanza he talks about Brahman, Brahmatvam, right? Brahma Tattvam. What is Brahman? And here he says this Brahman is Sandranandava Bodhatmakam. So he's saying it is not just happiness, it is not just bliss. And the ella blissim edutittu, if you just take the essence out of it, the concentrated bliss out of it, right? So the intense nature of that is Brahman. That's what he says. It's always permanently happy and permanently in a blissful state. And then he says, how do you define Brahman? So he says Brahman is Anupamitam. You cannot compare it to anything else. It's Kala Desha Vadipyam. Kalam and Desham. Kalam is time, Desham is place. So Kala Desha Vadipyam is, you cannot compare it, it's beyond space and beyond time. Nitya Muktam. So it is like free from, all of the Maya, right? Free from all the required liberation. So I don't know if you heard in the Dushyant Sridhar when he gives some of his Parayanam, when he says, in the who is God, who is Brahman, he says in the mathematics use பண்ற மாதிரி what it is not அப்படின்னு சொல்லி he defines, right? So if humans now we have like we are under the influence of time, we are under the influence of Maya. So the Brahman is, it's not under the influence of that, not under the influence of, he goes on describes. And Nigama Shata Sahasrena. So in hundreds and thousands of scriptures have described this. And then he says it is aspashtam. Spashtam is clear, right? Aspashtam is something which is not clear. So even though it is all this, it is not clear for people to realize. Nobody can comprehend, a common man cannot comprehend what this Brahman is. And that's where Bhattacharya says Drishtamatre Punaha, but on realizing that you get the highest mukti. But then the advantage of Guruvayur, he says, is Bhati Sakshat Guru Bhavanapure. He says that Brahman which people cannot understand is standing right in front of me in Guruvayur, in your form, right? So he says for all those people who cannot comprehend what Brahman is, don't worry. You just imagine the vision of the Lord in Guruvayur standing in front of me, and that is that Brahman, right? So that is what the Lord has given us, is to be able to visualize this Brahman in a form and shape that we can understand. So that is the first stanza. That's where he's describing the importance of Guruvayur. He says because only in Guruvayur is the Lord in the form that you can comprehend, right? And you can appreciate. That's the first chapter. So then the second one, he says evam durlabhya vastunyapi, right? So labhyam is easy, durlabhyam is hard. So something which is so hard to get, this Brahman or understanding Brahman or attaining liberation, something which is so hard to get, Sulabhataya, so easily hasta labde. So in the mari vlo kashtamā irundhutom, so easily somebody is handing it to you in your hand, right? Hasta labde yadan yada. It's being handed to you in your hand in the form of the Lord in Guruvayur. Bhajati badajanaha. But all the people, right? Tanva, Vacha and Diya. Tanva is body, Vacha is speech, and Diya is mind. So using their mind and body and thing, what they do is anyat, they go in search of other things, other pleasures. He says Shudra, this is clearly pitiable state, right? Although this is so easily available, people are busy with that. And then he says, however, ete thabad vayam tu, all of us here and everybody, the devotees here, to that Lord, if we completely surrender, then he eliminates all of those things. He says we are all lucky that we are able to now visualize this Lord, so we can completely surrender ourselves. And then with Sthiratara Manasa, right, with the mind fully resolved into it, then Vishwa Pida Pahate, so all the entire ailments or entire diseases and all the challenges you have, all of that will get eradicated. So he's just describing how the Brahman is complicated, but then all of this is accessible to us. First two stanzas. So let's go with the third one. So third number, what we'll do from now is I will chant the 4 lines. I will explain the meaning in stanzas where we are going to explain it, and then we'll do the 2 lines like we did last time. Sattvam yattat parabhyam aparikalanato nirmalam tena tavat bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapuruti bahushah Shruyate Vyasavakyam Tat Swachatvat Yadachadita Parasukachet Garbhanirbhasarupam Tasmin Dhanyaramante Shrutimati Madhure Sugrahe Vigrahete. So here he is describing Tavat, the form of the Lord, right? And he says how everybody's body is made up of the Sattva Guna, Rajas and Tamas. All of those are mixed in various proportions in people's body. So Sattvam Yattat, he says the highest or the purest form of the Sattva Guna, which is Parabhyam, not mixed with Rajas and Tamas, right? Aparikalanata, it is not mixed with, those things. Nirmalam. So Malam is impure, Nirmalam is pure. So this highest, purest form of it. Tena Tavad Bhutehi. From that was born Te Vapuhu, your form or your body was born or formed from that purest form of Sattva Guna. And then from where is it said? Vyasa Vakyam. So from the words of Vyasa, that is as described in the Vedas. This is how the Vedas are describing you. And that Swachatva, that purest form which is unobstructed, that one is Shruti Mati Madhure. So for all the people who are Danya Ramate, people who are fortunate, right, through Shruti Mati Madhure. So it is delightful to the ears, delightful to the mind, and then they can easily grasp this form. So that's what essentially in the chapter of Fulla he keeps describing how this form of the Lord in Guruvayur is so important. Right? So that's what is describing here. Okay. So first line, Sattvam Yattat Parabhyam. So I don't know how many of you are using in the language in Therila. So I will try to explain it from the context of Sanskrit, but people who are using English or Tamil make accordingly adjustments, right? So Sanskrit la mapari kalanato apdi irundadunaka, then you make it parabhyam im, right? You break it, put a comma there and make it apari kalanato. So parabhyam comma, you pause there. Apari kalanato nirmalam tena tavat. Bhutair bhutendriyaiste. So indriyam, bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapuruti bahushaha. Put a comma there, pause. Shruyate vyasavakyam. Okay, so I'll chant those 2 lines. Sattvam yattat parabhyam aparikalanato nirmalam tena tavat Bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapuruti bahushaha shruyate vyasavakyam.
Rajesh, a doubt. In the second line, is it Vapuriti or Vapuruti?
Vapuriti.
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 Okay.
Vapuhu iti. You want to go, Danya? You want to say the first 2 lines.
Okay. Sattvam yattat parabhyam aparikalanato nirmalam tena tavad bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapuriti bahushah shruyate vyasavakyam. One more time, Purnima.
Yeah, 2 times.
Sattvam yattat parabhyam aparikalanato nirmalam tena tavad bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapuriti bahushah shruyate vyasavakyam.
Yeah.
सत्वं यत्तत् पराभ्याम् अपरिकलनतो निर्मलं तेन तावत् भूतैर्भूतेन्द्रियैस्ते वपुरिति बहुशः श्रूयते व्यासवाक्यम्.
விஜய் ஒரே இருக்குது அந்த இத்து அந்த மாதிரி எண்டாச்சுனாக்கா when it ends in the end of a sentence, that's when we emphasize it so that it flows and the tune will stay. நடுவுல இப்ப எத்தத்துனா you don't have to say எத்தத்து அந்த எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இது வேண்டாம்.
Okay. सत्वं यत्तत् पराभ्याम् अपरिकलनतो निर्मलं तेन तावत् भूतैर्भूतेन्द्रियैस्ते वपुरिति बहुशः श्रूयते व्यासवाक्यम्.
Correct. Next line. தத் ஸ்வச்சத்வாத். ஸோ அந்த திய சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல வந்து அந்த தியா இருந்ததுனாக்கா யூ பிரேக் இட் இன்டு டூ ஹியர், ரைட்? ஸோ யூ சே தத் ஸ்வச்சத்வாத் and put a comma so that you finish that word. Tat swachadvat. Next line வந்து yadacha, put a ya, yadachadita. Okay, so it will be tat swachadvat comma yadachadita parasukachit garbha nirbhasa rupam. So when I'm trying to say it, breaking it into these individual words doesn't mean you have to literally say those words or stop. It is just so that you can put some markings in it, right? Eventually chollumbodhu you're going to be saying it together, right? Yadachadita parasukachit garbha nirbhasa rupam continues up, but I'm breaking it so that you can, for your easiness, right? So yadachida, sorry, tat swachadvad comma yadachadita parasukachit garbha nirbhasa rupam comma tasmin danya ramante comma shrutimati madure sugrahe vigrahe te. Okay. So tat swachadvat yadachadita parasukachit garbha nirbhasa rupam tasmin dhanya ramante shrutimati madure sugrahe vigrahe te.
So Rajesh, or a doubt.
Yeah.
So in the third line, we are not. So we have to say like swachatvad abdina, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Unlike the previous line.
Because we are stopping here. We put a comma
Okay.
there, right? So if the comma, we stop at that point. So there you emphasize that.
Okay. Tat swachatvad yadachadita parasukachit garbha nirbhasa rupam tasmin dhanyaramante shrutimati madhure sugrahe vigrahe te. tat swachatvad yadachadita parasukachit garbha nirbhasa rupam tasmin dhanyaramante shrutimati madhure sugrahe vigrahe te.
तत् स्वच्छत्वात् यदच्छादित परसुख चिद्गर्भ निर्भास रूपं तस्मिन् धन्यारमन्ते श्रुतिमति मधुरे सुग्रहे विग्रहे ते. तत् स्वच्छत्वात् यदच्छादित परसुख चिद्गर्भ निर्भास रूपं तस्मिन् धन्यारमन्ते श्रुतिमति मधुरे सुग्रहे विग्रहे ते.
Just the yadachadita kapra, you don't have to pause. If you're stopping, that's totally fine because you're still learning it. But eventually, then yadachadita parasukachet garbhan, it kind of flows together. Okay, eventually. Good. So fourth stanza. So in 4, 5, 6, I'm going to skip the meaning. Then we'll focus on the meaning for 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stanza 4. निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानंद पीयूष रूपे निर्लीनानेकमुक्तावलि सुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिन्धौ कल्लोल्लोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तधात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचः त्वत्कलास्वेव भूमन्. So nishkampe nityapurne comma niravadi paramananda piyusha rupe, niravadi paramananda piyusha rupe, nirlinaneka muktavali subhagatame. Okay, it's still one word only, but if you want to break it, those are the three places where you should break it. Nirlinaneka muktavali subhagatame, comma nirmala brahma sindhav. It's a half ha, right? Not a full ha. So brahma sindhav. Nishkampe nityapurne niravadi paramananda piyusha rupe nirlinaneka muktavali subhagatame nirmala brahma sindhau.
निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानन्द पीयूषरूपे निर्लीनानेकमुक्तावलि सुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्मसिन्धौ निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानन्द पीयूषरूपे निर्लीनानेकमुक्तावलि सुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्मसिन्धौ
निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानंद पीयूष रूपे निर्लीनानेकमुक्तावलि सुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिन्धौ निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानंद पीयूष रूपे निर्लीनानेकमुक्तावलि सुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिन्धौ.
Next line. Kallo lollasa tulyam. Kallo lollasa tulyam. Khalu vimalataram, comma sattvam ahustadhatma. Sattvam ahustadhatma, comma kasmano nishkalastvam, comma sakala iti vachaha. அங்க சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல இஸ் போட்டிருந்ததுனாக்கா you remove it off. sakala iti vachaha, comma tvatkala sweva bhuman. So kallo lollasa-tulyam khalu vimalataham sattvam-ahustadhatma kasmanno nishkalastvam sakala iti vachaha tvatkala sweva bhuman.
कल्लोलोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तदात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचः त्वत्कला स्वेव भूमन् कल्लोलोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तदात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचः त्वत्कला स्वेव भूमन्.
कल्लोलोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तदात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचः त्वत्कला स्वेव भूमन्. कल्लोलोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तदात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचः त्वत्कला स्वेव भूमन्.
Stanza 5. निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमजभजसे यत्क्रियामीक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोधेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले तस्या संशुद्धमंशं खमपि थमतिरोधायकं सत्वरूपं सत्वं धृत्वा दधासि स्वमहिम विभवाकुण्ठ वैकुण्ठरूपम्. So निर्व्यापारोऽपि Nishkaranam aja bhajase. And the bhajase kapram comma. So nishkaranam, if you want to break that word for convenience, it's nishkaranam aja bhajase. Or you can say it together as nishkaranam aja bhajase. Bhajase kapram comma. Yakriyam ikshanakyam. Again, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இடத்துல இந்த சந்தி வரும்போது I'm going to break it for people who need to break it, right? So இப்போ இந்த next word இந்த yakriyam ikshanakyam, right? So that way you break, if you want to break it, I want you to break it properly. So அந்த இடத்துல but அது நீங்க வந்து you don't have to say yakriyam ikshanakyam, you can say yakriyam ikshanakyam, that's also fine, okay? But I don't want you to break it wrong. So yakriyam ikshanakyam comma तेनै वो देति लीना कॉमा प्रकृति रसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियामीक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोधेति लीना प्रकृति रसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले
निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियामीक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोदेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियामीक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोदेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले
निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियामीक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोदेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियामीक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोदेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले.
Next line. So in the for people who are following Sanskrit, you know, in the visarga and the two dots vandunaka, typically when we are ending with that, we emphasize that visarga. But if it's coming before another word, then you try to take the small portion of the next word and put it. So next line, for example, tasya samshuddhamamsham irukku, and the tasyaha irukku, and next word is samshuddhamamsham. So you can put a small is there for your convenience. So you're saying it together. So tasya samshuddhamamsham, comma, kamapi thamatiro dayakam sattvarupam. Sattvarupam. Okay, the two itrikanga and the sattvarupam la, comma, sattvam dritva dadhasi, comma, swamahima vibhavakuntha vaikuntha rupam. Swamahima vibhavakuntha vaikuntha rupam. Tasya samshuddhamamsham khamapi thamatirodhayakam sattvarupam Sattvam dhritva dadhasi swamahima vibhavakuntha vaikuntha rupam.
तस्या संशुद्धमंशं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्वरूपं सत्वं धृत्वा दधासि स्वमहिमविभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपं तस्या संशुद्धमंशं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्वरूपं सत्वं धृत्वा दधासि स्वमहिमविभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपम्
तस्या संशुद्धमंशं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्वरूपं सत्वं धृत्वा दधासि स्वमहिम विभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपं तस्या संशुद्धमंशं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्वरूपं सत्वं धृत्वा दधासि स्वमहिम विभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपम्.
So Rajesh, for a doubt, I have a doubt in the fourth line.
Hmm.
So when we make a pause after the dhasi, right?
Yeah.
But in what problem I'm having is when I am pausing there, I am changing that C to C, the
Correct, correct.
dhasi.
That you should be careful. Typically when you're saying it all together, it's easy to merge it with the next word so
Correct.
that C won't come. Satvam dritva dadasi. So அப்படி ஈஸியா வந்துடும் சோமஹிம விபவாக்குண்ட. But when you're breaking it, just be careful. So that because in the tune we are breaking it at that point, right?
Yeah.
See,
So
Satvam dritva
if I
dadasi.
correct. So when what I typically do when there is that word like the dhasi, I immediately combine with the next word, so it doesn't change it to C. So appadi if I have to break like that, so satvam dhritva dadhasi swamahima appadi pannanuma.
Yeah, if you feel convenient with that, do that, right? But நம்ம வந்து yeah. So but you should be careful not to say dada si. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Yeah. Okay.
No?
Thanks.
Sure. Number 6. तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधार्हा धरललितकला यावली केलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृतिजनदृशां पूर्णपुण्यावतारं लक्ष्मीनिःशङ्कलीला निलयनममृतस्यन्दसन्दोहमन्तः सिञ्चत् सञ्चिन्तकानां वपुरनुकलये मारुताघारनाथा. So first line, tatte, the first line is together, okay, it's one, no pause in the first line, but I'm going to break it. Tatte pratyagra dhara dhara lalita kala yavali kelikaram. Okay, pratyagra dhara dhara lalita kala yavali kelikaram lavan yasyaika saram comma sukruti janadrisham comma purna punyavataram. Okay. So tatte pratyagradhara dhara lalita kala yavali kelikaram lavanyasyaika saram sukruti janadrisham purna punyavataram.
तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधाराधरललितकलायावलीकेलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृतिजनदृशां पूर्णपुण्यावतारम्. तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधाराधरललितकलायावलीकेलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृतिजनदृशां पूर्णपुण्यावतारम्.
तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधाराधरललितकलायावलीकेलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृतिजनदृशां पूर्णपुण्यावतारम्. तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधाराधरललितकलायावलीकेलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृतिजनदृशां पूर्णपुण्यावतारम्.
Right. அதே மாதிரி next third line is also a full line, right? So let's break it. Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayanam Amrita Syanda Sandoham Antaha. Okay, so Lakshmi Nishanka Leela Nilayanam Amrita Syanda Sandoham Antaha, comma Sinchat Sanchintakhanam, comma Vapuranu Maruta Gharanata. So on third line, you have to try to say it together if possible, right? So Lakshmi Nishankalila Nilayanam Amritasyanda Sandohamantaha Sinchat Sanchintakhanam Vapuranu Maruta Gharanatha.
लक्ष्मी निःशङ्कलीला निलयनममृतस्यन्दसन्दोहमन्तः सिञ्चत्सं चिन्तकानां वपुरनुकलये मारुतागारनाथ लक्ष्मी निःशङ्कलीला निलयनममृतस्यन्दसन्दोहमन्तः सिञ्चत्सं चिन्तकानां वपुरनुकलये मारुतागारनाथ
लक्ष्मी निःशङ्कलीला निलयनम् अमृतस्यन्दसन्दोहमन्तः सिञ्चत् वपुरनुकलये मारुतागारनाथ लक्ष्मी निःशङ्कलीला निलयनम् अमृतस्यन्दसन्दोहमन्तः सिञ्चत् वपुरनुकलये मारुतागारनाथ.
So, the second end முடியும் போது it is like the second tha Sanskritla tha tha. So on the you just make sure emphasizing, you know,
Garanatha.
Yeah, tha. Yeah, get
Okay.
more air out of your voice. All of that. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So 7. Kashtate srishti cheshta bahutara bhavake dhavaha jiva bhajam इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमजितमया नैव मध्याभिजाने नो चे जीवाः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्छिद्रसाध्रं नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्. So let's kind of just look at this, right? So Jitna is to win, right? Victory. Jita is one who can be won over. Ajita is one who cannot be won over, right? So the invincible one. So he says, "O Ajita, O invincible one," right? Purvam alochitam. I used to think previously, Maya, I used to think previously that te srishti cheshta, this creation that you have done of yours, is kashta, it's cruel. Right? He's saying, Bhattacharya says, previously I used to think this entire creation of yours was a very cruel act. If you think of why, because it says, Bahutara Bhava Kheda Avaha. So it's like, it creates a lot of pain and sorrows that it actually brings to people. Right? Jiva Bhajam, to all the living beings. It brings so many pains and cruel sorrows that I used to think this entire creation of yours was very bad. Na eva madhya abhijane. But now, I don't think that way. Because Noche jiva katam va. So how can all these human beings, right? Parama rasa sudha. Ambodipure. Ambodhi is ocean. Ambodipure is like the ocean of, right? Parama rasa. So this entire like bliss, right? So in the absence of this creation, how can all these human beings revel in this ocean of bliss of yours? Through how? Netrai shotrai cha pitva. So netra is eyes, shrota is hearing, right? So by drinking the essence of yours, how can we enjoy or revel in this ocean of bliss if not for this creation, right? So in this tvat vapuhu, your form, which is chitrasadram, which is like again that condensed bliss incarnate like we discussed, right? So Bhattacharya says, I used to think this creation of yours was very bad. I don't think anymore, because in the absence of it, how would people get to enjoy this form of yours, right, in this world? So Kashtate srishti cheshta, comma, bahutara bhava kedavaha. It's actually on the bahutara bhava is bhava, Lord, right? So bhava kedavaha is one word, but you eventually end up saying it together. So bahutara bhava kedavaha jiva bhajam. So in the Sanskrit next line the mityevam irundadunaka and the me cut pannite make it jiva bhajam in the previous word, end it with a im, put a comma there. Next line le ityevam. So iti evam, thus how now. So ityevam purvam alochitam ajitamaya. So ityevam purvam alochitam ajitamaya, comma, naiva madhyabhijane. Okay. So kashtate srishti cheshta bahutara bhavake dhavaha jiva bhajam इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमजितमया नैव मध्याभिजाने
कष्टाते सृष्टिचेष्टा बहुतर भवखेदावः जीवभाजाम् इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमजितमया नैव मध्याभिजाने कष्टाते सृष्टिचेष्टा बहुतर भवखेदावः जीवभाजाम् इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमजितमया नैव मध्याभिजाने
कष्टाते सृष्टिचेष्टा बहुतर भवकेदावः जीवभाजाम् इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितम् अजितमया नैव मध्याभिजाने
Vijay,
कष्ट
sorry, and the Purvam Alochitam, Ajit, you can break it, but I'm romba stop panna vendam.
Okay. Okay. कष्टाते सृष्टिचेष्टा बहुतर भवकेदावः जीवभाजाम् इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमजितमया नैव मध्याभिजाने.
Third line. No change jiva, and the jivaha irukilya anga Sanskrit la visarga irundhanaka, you can put a small ik there. Ik jiva katam va, because curl start arudha. So no che jiva katam va, comma madura tharamidam twadvapus chidrasadram. Twadvapus, by chance if you have twadvapuhu அப்படின்னு Sanskritல by chance போட்டிருந்ததுனாக்கா, and next line chidra sadram இருக்கிறதுனால you can put a small ish in between, okay, to continue that line. It is madura taramidam twadvapush chidra sadram, comma netrais shrotraischa pitva. Again shro irukku next line la, so you can put a ish in front of the visarga, next to the visarga. So netrais shrotraischa pitva, comma parama rasa sudham bodhipure rameran. Parama rasa sudham bodhipure rameran. It's actually sudha ambodhipure. Sudha is nectar and amburu is the ocean. So noche jiva katham va madurataramidham twadvapuschidra-sadram netrai shrotraischa phitva paramarasa sudham bodhipure rameran.
नो चेज्जीवः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चिद्रसार्द्रं नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन् नो चेज्जीवः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चिद्रसार्द्रं नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्. And the netraiः श्रोत्रैश्च, correct?
Yeah, shrotrai.
Shro, okay.
Yeah, shro.
I will try that one more time.
Yeah.
नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्.
Correct.
नो चे जीवाः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं तद्वत्पुश्चि
Twadvapus.
Sorry, திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. Twadvapush chidrasadram. Okay. Madurataramidam twadvapush chidrasadram netrais shrotraischa pitva paramarasa sudham bodhirupe rameran. Bodhipure rameran. Sorry. No che jivah katam va madhurataramidam त्वद्वपुश्चिद्रसाध्रं नेत्रैश्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन् नो चे जीवाः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चिद्रसाध्रं नेत्रैश्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन्.
Correct. So
Quick
stanza,
question, Rajesh.
Ah.
He meant no chet jeevah kathamnu சொன்னார் அவர்.
ஆமா.
Is it ik போடணுமா இல்ல ha வரணுமா அந்த இடத்துல?
It's no che jiva. It's like ik தான் அது. It should not be like a ha. No, but you don't have to say no che jiva katam va. அந்த அவ்வளோ emphasis கிடையாது அதுல.
Okay.
It's a lighter emphasis of ik.
Ik வரணும். Okay, thank you.
So stanza 8 is, and the stanza 8 தான் தியான ஸ்லோகத்துல வரும். That's why I didn't bother teaching it at that point, right? Because we're anyway going to be learning it here. So namranam sannidhatte satatamopi purastairanabhyartithanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha ittam nisheshalabhyo niravadika phalaha पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमार्ते प्रजोह्यम्. So the Bhattacharya is actually comparing, right? He's doing a comparison. Says Namranam, I bow to you, Sannidhatte, right? So you appear always, even without being, and you appear in front of your devotees, and then what people ask for, they ask for wealth, and they have all other desires that they ask for. So he says anabhyartithanapi. So without even being asked, in addition to arthan, kaman, all the desirable items, kaman, arthan, etc., right? All of those things, kaman. In addition to that, you also give Paramananda Sandram. You also give the state of supreme bliss, right? She says that's a difference, because here Bhattacharya is actually comparing the Lord to the trees which are in Indra's heaven, right? Indra has several trees in his heaven. The Kalpa Vriksha, which is a wish yielding tree, and for each of the things there is a tree. He says, and the Kalpa Vriksha, the Indra's tree, enna problem naka? One is it is not accessible to normal human beings, right? We can't go wish in that Kalpa Vriksha. And two is you have to die, you have to do a lot of punyam, and you have to go to heaven, and then to be able to get access to it. And plus, he says the Kalpa Vriksha only gives the things you ask for, right? Whatever you desires that you ask for. But instead, he says Bhattacharya compares him and says, you are Parijataha Haretvam. He says you are the Parijata tree, which is the highest form. He says because you not only give what people ask for, but you also give what they don't ask for, which is the bliss, which people forget to ask for. Right? He says that's why you are actually different. And then in the end, he says, in addition to this, why do people still go wish for that Shudram tam Shakravati Dhrumamabi Lashati? So that insignificant tree in Indra's garden, which is the Kalpa Vriksha tree, I still don't understand why people go wish for that tree. Right? That's what Bhattacharya says here. So essentially, summary enanaka, he says, don't just pray to the God, he'll take care of things. Don't wish for the Indra's tree because it doesn't give you everything. So Namranam Sannidhatte, Satatamapi Purastair Anabhyartithanapi. Okay, it's Purastair Anabhyartithanapi, but you can say it together as Purastair Anabhyartithanapi. But if you break, okay, sorry, I forgot to tell. And the Than la mudiyarudhu illaya, first line, and next line la you will have Pyarthan or Kuttipa ya, right? So you break it into two. So you say Anabhyartithanapi, small p in Sanskrit, put a comma. So end that line with a small p. And next line make it a. Okay, so p plus a makes pya, right? So we break that pya into p and a. So next line is arthan kamana jasram vitarati, comma paramananda sandram gatim cha. Okay. So if anybody has any doubt, let me know. But
Rajesh, in bookla vitarasi nu potrukku. Vitaratiya vitarasiya.
In the the next line liya
Kamanajasram vitarasi அப்படினு போட்டுருக்கு.
Vitarati da my script is very old book.
Vijay, are you using the printout I sent or?
No, I have this book from Giri Traders.
Okay.
Also Vitarati, I'll change it.
Yeah, change it. Yeah, I know, because now what I noticed, right, is I don't know why this is the case. Even last time we had people using 5 or 6 different books, and Anganganga we started seeing some differences. And interestingly, the book I got, my original book is from 1990, which I got from Guru Ayur, and the book has one thing, and the new book I got is different. So I generally end up going with what my old book was saying, just because it is old for no other reason, right? So
Okay, no, I just wanted to make sure it's.
okay, no worries. So namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi api kutipi arthan khamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandham gatim cha.
Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi punarastairanabhyartinata
Puraras satatamapi purastair anabhyartithanapi, right? So you can say purastairanabhyartithanapi.
Purastairanabhyartithanapi.
Yeah.
Okay. Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purarasne vardhe. Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha. Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha.
Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi anabhyartithanapi namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati.
Vijay, I think you froze.
Sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi arthan kamanajasram.
Vijay freeze ஆயிட்டியா இல்ல எனக்கு மட்டும் தான் ஆகுதா அப்படி?
No, he froze.
He
I
froze?
cannot hear him. Yeah.
Vijay, we can't hear you or see.
Rajesh, on the first line, that last word, can you
Yeah.
break it up? It's a little hard.
Yeah. So Vijay, நீங்க break. Okay, I see you're back now. So satatamapi purastair anabhyar. I don't want that word is one word, so I don't want to break it to make it wrong, but I'll explain how it is, right? It's purastair anabhyar irrukanga anabhyar thithanapi. So but you have to say it together, okay? It's purastair anabhyartithanapi.
Shall we do this one more time, me and
Yeah.
Vijay?
Yeah. Vijay, are you back?
It's very-
Can you hear us?
Yes, I'm back. Sorry, connection didn't quite there.
Okay, no worries. Okay.
I'm back. Hear me or no?
Yeah, so then you have to say once and then you can say it twice, Vijay, since you didn't. Yeah, we couldn't hear you.
Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha.
Then and the vitarati வந்து காமான ஜஸ்ரமோட சேர்ந்து சொல்லிட்டு then you put the pause.
என்னது?
அர்த்தான் காமான ஜஸ்ரம் விதரதி.
Oh, I am pausing there, is it?
Yeah, you're
I
pausing
don't even
after
know what I'm
kamana
doing.
jasram.
Okay, let me try one more time. Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyartithanapi arthan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha.
Right.
नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरन्य अनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च.
Perfect. Next line. Ittam nisheshalabhyo niravadika phalaha. Niravadika phalaha, comma. Pharijato haretvam, comma. Kshudram tham shakravati drumamam. It's actually drumamam abhilashati, but you can say it together. Shakravati drumamabhilashati, comma. Vyartam artibrajoyam. Vyartam artibrajoyam. Okay, so Shakravati drumamabhilashati. Vyartam artibrajoyam. And the bilashati kapram comma. So ittam nisheshalabhyo niravadika phalaha parijato haretvam kshudram tam shakravati drumamabhilashati vyartamartivrajoyam.
इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषत् क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्तिव्रजोऽयम् इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्तिव्रजोऽयम्.
Then in the fourth line, first letter, Kshudram, K-S-H. It's not S-H,
No.
right? It's not
Kshudram.
Shudram, it is Kshudram, K.
Kshudram.
K,
Yeah.
so K la armika, K-S-H. Okay, so just be careful. First time you said it correct, second time you said Shudram, that's why.
Okay.
Okay.
इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफल पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटिद्रुमं विलसति व्यर्थमर्तिव्रजोऽयम्.
Vijay, and the Niravadika, anga நம்ம pause பண்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த Niravadika phalaha. So அந்த இடத்துல visarga you have to say Niravadika phalaha.
Okay. इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटिद्रुमं विलसति व्यर्थमर्तिव्रजोऽयम्.
Right. Only you need to be careful. The Shakravati is a long E, long T.
Okay. Shakravati.
Yeah. Okay. All right. 9. Karunyat kamamanyam dadati khalu pare swatmadastvam visheshat aishwaryadishate anye jagati parajane swatmanopishwarastvam त्वयि उच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतना स्वीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा रामये वेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते. So yeah, no, just number last time discussed panna, I think we discussed this, I'm not sure. So depending on which scripture you take, right, they praise that Lord, right? So Vijay Rudram, we chant, it says Shiva is this, Rudra is this, everything, right? You say Devi Matmyam, they say that, right? So ademari inge Narayana, we should remember that it is written by Bhattatripat with Narayana in mind, right? So everything is going to put that as a top, right? But eventually, you know, what he also says is Brahman, what we discussed, is formless, right? There's no shape. Bhattacharya has also said it in the first stanza itself. He said it's very difficult to comprehend, right? But then when you take different shapes, you have different lords. So here he's saying you have that Brahman takes different forms of different lords, and all of those are manifestations of the same Brahman. But then he compares and says, when you pick other gods, right? Other gods, just like that tree in Indra 7, he says the other gods give devotees whatever they wish for, right? That's what he compares here and says, you know, karunyat kamam anyam. So out of pity, out of devotion, out of compassion, the gods give you what you want. But you yourself, right? Swa atmadahatam. So you give yourself, right? Vishesha, out of special comparison. So when he says you are giving yourself, what he really means is kind of giving ourselves to the Lord of union, right? You give yourself so we can merge, right? And that's what he says is the difference between kind of what others do and what you do, or Guru Ayappa. And yeah, so that is the main essence of this stanza. And he says the people who have performed good deeds, all the souls who have done good deeds in the past, are truly fortunate to be able to do this with you. Yeah, so that is the main portion here. Let me see. Yeah. So karunyat kamam anyam. So kamam anyam. So kamam means whatever you desire for. Anyam is everything, right? So karunyat kamam anyam dhadati khalu pare, comma, swatmadas tvam visheshan potirukom Sanskritla, and then they'll have daishwarya in the next line, right? So you break it into visheshath, right? It's visheshath, and put a comma. Swatmadastvam visheshath, comma, and then the next line you make it
Visheshat, is it small tha or
it's
big
small
tha?
tha, small tha. அது வந்து அந்த சந்தியில when you join it becomes dai, but when you literally breaking it tvam visheshath, small tha, and you have to emphasize that, comma. Next line la you make it aishwarya, right? So aishwarya dishate anye jagati parajane, comma, swatmano apishwarastvam, swatmano apishwarastvam. So let me say it once again. Karunyat kamamanyam dhadati khalu pare, comma, swatmadastvam visheshath, comma, aishwarya dishate anye jagati parajane, comma, swatmano apishwarastvam. So karunyat kamamanyam dhadati khalu pare, swatmadastvam visheshath, ऐश्वर्यादीशते अन्ये जगति परजने, स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वम्.
कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे, स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने, स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वम्. कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे, स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने, स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वम्.
कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे, कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे, स्वात्मतस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने, स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वम्. कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे, स्वात्मतस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने, स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वम्.
Correct. Next line. Tvai yuchai. Tvai, அங்க ரெண்டு, ஒரு குட்டி யா இருக்கு, ஒரு பெரிய யா இருக்கு. It's like two ya's there. So tvai yuchai raramanthi pradipad madure, comma, chetana swita bhag, இந்த சேத்தனாஹா இருக்கு இல்லையா, நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல ஸ்வீத பாக்யா இருக்குன்னா ஒரு put a small is there. Chetana's swita bhagyaha. Next லைன்ல வந்து சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல sometimes you'll have is and a tvam. If you have is and a tvam, remove that is, make it swita bhagyaha in the previous line, put a comma there. Swita bhagyaha. Next line is tvam chatmarama, then evethya. Evethya அப்படி இருந்ததுனாக்கா you break it into evethi and the a, and then put a evethi, small t, put a comma there, and we're going to pause there. So tvam chatma rama evethi, comma, atula gunaganadhara shaure namaste. Okay, so tvam chatma rama evethi, atula gunaganadhara shaure namaste. So त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतना स्वीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा रामयेवेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
Okay. त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणगणाधारशौरे नमस्ते. त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणगणाधारशौरे नमस्ते.
त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति
राम एवेति, त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति,
त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते. त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
Perfect. Last answer. ऐश्वर्यं शङ्कराधीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजः संहारि वीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम् अङ्गासङ्गा सदा श्रीरखिल विरसि न क्वापि ते सङ्गवार्ता तद्वाथाघारवासिन् मुरहर भगवत shabda mukhya shrayosi. So typically in the, except for the first chapter and the 100th chapter, in the last stanza, last two lines, Bhattacharya always summarizes that chapter. Ipo Narasimha Avatarannaka, he'll say, oh, ipdi Narasimha, you took the avataram. And then he says, please eradicate all the diseases and all the ailments that I have, consistently in every chapter, right? Only in two chapters he doesn't, which is the first chapter and then the last chapter. Last chapter because, he says Ayur Arogya Saukyam, he prays for the whole world, so he doesn't ask for it anyways, for himself. And in the first chapter, like, he doesn't, he's just kind of still praising the Lord. So he first wants to praise the Lord, establish the importance of the Lord, establish the importance of Guru Ayur. And only from the next chapter, he starts telling, please cure me, right? So then the first chapter, he doesn't end with that typically what he says. And so in the last word, right, the last thing that he has here is Bhagavat Shabda Mukhya Shrayosi. So he says the word Bhagavan, right, is other than the word Bhagavan, if you go research, right, it has certain qualities, right? So there are 6 qualities which are called Bhaga, and the one who possesses all those 6 Bhagas is called as the Bhagavan, right? One who possesses Bhagas. So it is like omnipotence, right? Having unlimited power, strength, fame, Shri, which is beauty and auspiciousness. Then, Jnana, which is the knowledge, right? Omniscience, and then Vairagya, non-attachment. So all of these qualities have to be possessed. One who possesses all of that, the 6 qualities called as the Bhaga, is called the Bhagavan. So here he says, Bhagavat Shabda Mukhya Shrayosi. Say the word Bhagavan is primarily applicable to you only. Right, because he says, because you have unlimited power, you're omnipotent, Aishwaryam, you have everything you want. Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam. So Shankara is Lord Shiva, right? And Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam means you also have control over all of the lords, beginning with Shankara, right? And then he says, Tejas Samhari Viryam. So your Viryam, your strength and your valor is also destroys or is better than the strength of everybody else. And Vishwate Joharanam, over the entire world. Bimalam is like purity, right? Bimalam yasha api is you have a pure body, you have a pure fame. And then all of this is sung by Nisprihai Chopagitam. All the sages are also singing this or praising you with all of these things. So idella, because you have all of these things, right? Vatagara Vasin is referring to the person who resides in Guruvayur, and Murahara, because Krishna, see, in the Bhattacharya part, for everything he represents Krishna as a base, right? So even when you're talking about Rama, he'll reference as Krishna who was born as Rama, or he doesn't refer it as Vishnu. நம்ம வந்து இந்த விஷ்ணுவோட 10 அவதாரம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தானே we say Krishna அவதாரம், Rama அவதாரம் and everything. But here every place Bhattacharya part freely uses Krishna as everything, right, including Krishna avatar. So here he says, you know, Guruva Lakara, one who destroyed the Asura Mura, which is Krishna. So that's why he says Murahara, right? And then he says, to you are the omnipotent, you are everything. So the word Bhagavan applies primarily to you. Appdin solittu Bhattacharya part finishes chapter 1. So Aishwaryam Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam. So Shankara the Ishwara. So Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam, comma, Vishwate Joharanam, comma, Tejas Samhari Viryam, comma, Vimalamapi Yasho Nisprihaish Chopagitam. In case you have Nisprihaihi in Sanskrit in some book, you know, then you make it put a small because Nisprihaihi and then the visarga andanaka put a small ish there because the next word starts with a cha. So Bimalam api yasho nisprihaish chopagitam. So Aishwaryam Shankaradishwara Viniyamanam Vishwate Joharanam Tejas Samhari Viryam Bimalam api yasho nisprihaish chopagitam.
ऐश्वर्यं शङ्करादीश्वरविनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजःसंहारिवीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम् ऐश्वर्यं शङ्करादीश्वरविनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजःसंहारिवीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम्
ऐश्वर्यं शङ्कराधीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजःसंहारिवीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम् ऐश्वर्यं शङ्कराधीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजःसंहारिवीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम्
Anga Sanga Sadashrir Akhila Vidasi, comma, Na Kwapite Sangavarta, comma, Thadva Thagara Vasin, comma, Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukyashrayosi. Bhagavat Shabda Mukyashrayosi. So Anga Sangha Sadha Shri Rakila Vidasi Na Kwapite Sangavarta Tadva Thagara Vasin Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukyashrayosi.
Anga Sanga Sada Shri Rakhila Vidasi Nakwapite Sangavarta Tadvata Garavasin Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukyashrayosi Anga Sanga Sada Shri Rakhila Vidasi Nakwapite Sangavarta Tadvata Garavasin Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukyashrayosi
Anga Sanga Sada Shri Rakhila Vidasi Nakwapite Sangavarta तद्वातागारवासीन् मुरहर भगवत् शब्द मुख्याश्रयोऽसि.
Vijay, Murahara Tadva Thagara Vasin Kutisi. Okay, and then after Vasin we stop. Then Murahara Bhagavat Shabda Mukhya Shrayosi.
Okay.
Sorry, Ori read out. I'm sorry, Ori. So Tadva Tagara Vasin apdi solranuma illa in
Yeah, you emphasize that because you're stopping there. Yeah.
Anga sanga sada shri rakhila vidasi nakhvapite sangavarta तद्वातागारवासिन् मुरहर भगवत् शब्द मुख्याश्रयोऽसि. अंगा संगा सदा श्रीरखिल विदसि न क्वापि ते संगवार्ता तद्वातागारवासिन् मुरहर भगवत् शब्द मुख्याश्रयोऽसि.
Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. So very good. So we finished the chapter there. So this is the Chela chapters in the Mari. It's like long lines, right? So those generally take time. So next chapter we will do next class is Dasakam 12, which is Varaha Avataram. So in the Narayanatla it doesn't quite go the Matsyam, Kurmam, Varaham and the exact sequence la poradilla. And I try to find out why that is the case. I don't know if it's because it happened in the way Bhagavatam is structured, right, is maybe it is coming earlier. But anyway, so next class we'll finish chapter 12 pretty much next class along with the meaning, right? So inniki na I'll send out the recording for this chapter. Okay. So typically,
Rajesh, since we have like 7 minutes, can you just recite the entire chapter? We will all go on mute and just chant along. Yeah.
Sure. Okay. So I'll go slow.
Rajesh, one question. Dasakam 1 Dasakam 12 Dasakam Varsiya Pogada.
Illa because நம்ம வந்து இல்ல என்னன்னக்கா அதான் சொன்ன ஸ்ரீராம் நம்ம வந்து இப்போ 1 to 20 பண்ணனும்னு நினைச்சுங்கோ. Okay, see if somebody wants to, the idea was if somebody wants to just quit after 20, you would have learned 1 to 20, right? But instead if you pick important avatarams and finish from 1 to 100, so you will do the bookends of 1 and 100 and then you will do all the important dasakams in between, right? Avatarams. So if after 20 kapram if you decide, yeah, you know what, I can't do this anymore, which is fine. You at least learned all the important dashakams, right? So that was the whole idea, right, of just picking important dashakams from 1 to 100.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. Chandranandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam khaladeshavadibhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् एवं दुर्लभ्यवस्तुन्यपि सुलभतया हस्तलब्धे यदन्यत् तन्वा वाचादिया वा भजति बत जनः क्षुद्रतैव स्फुटेयम् एते तावद्वयं तु स्थिरतरमनसा विश्वपीडापहत्यै निःशेषात्मानमेनं गुरुपवनपुराधीशमेव आश्रयामः सत्वं यत्तत्पराभ्याम् अपरिकलनतो निर्मलं तेन तावत् भूतैर्भूतेन्द्रियैस्ते वपुरुति बहुशः श्रूयते व्यासवाक्यं तत्स्वच्छत्वात् यदच्छादितपरसुखचिद्गर्भनिर्भासरूपं तस्मिन् धन्यारमन्ते श्रुतिमतिमधुरे सुग्रहे विग्रहे ते निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानंद पीयूषरूपे निर्लीनानेकमुक्तावलिसुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिन्धौ कल्लोलोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तथात्मा कस्मान्नो निष्कलस्त्वं सकल इति वचः त्वत्कलास्वेव भूमन् निर्व्यापारोऽपि निष्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियामि क्षणाख्यां तेनैवोधेति लीला प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले तस्या संशुद्धमंशं खमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्त्वरूपं सत्त्वं धृत्वा दधासि स्वमहिम विभवाकुण्ठवैकुण्ठरूपम् तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधारा धरललितकला यावलीकेलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृतिजनदृशां पूर्णपुण्यावतारं लक्ष्मीनिःशङ्कलीला निलयनममृतस्यन्दसन्दोहमन्तः सिञ्चत् सञ्चिन्तकारां वपुरनुकलये मारुताघारनाथा कष्टाते सृष्टिचेष्टा बहुतरभवखेधावः जीवभाजाम् इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमजितमया नैव मध्याभिजाने नो चेज्जीवाः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं त्वद्वपुश्चिद्रसाद्रं नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधां बोधिपूरे रमेरन् नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्याधीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वं त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतना स्वीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा रामयेवेति अतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते ऐश्वर्यं शङ्कराधीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजस्संहारि वीर्यं विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम् अङ्घा सदा श्रीरखिल विदसि न क्वापि ते सङ्घवार्ता तद्वाथाघारवासिन् मुरहर भगवच्छब्दमुख्याश्रयोऽसि श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. Okay, so typically in the class Mudishti we chant Sandranandava once, but we already did that now, so we don't have to do that, and then we'll wrap it up with Kayena Vacha. Okay, Kayena Vacha Manasendriyirva Buddhyatmana va prakrite swabhavat karomi yatyat sakalam parasmai narayanahyeti samarpayami. With that, we'll end today's class, everyone, and now recording on a prayer. And if you guys want to practice and send me an audio, I can review it offline as well. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
everybody.
you.